So, yan. Okay. Sige, start ulit natin tong ano. Start ulit natin tong iron nest. This time, dito naman tayo sa day 2. Day 2. So, tapos na natin tong ano. Tapos na natin tong calibration firing na to. Calibration fire to. Tama, calibration. Or yung testing. So, let's try an actual fire mission. Okay. Gusto ko talaga yung ano na ito. Ano niya. Medyo maliwanag nga lang. Try natin settings natin. Try natin ibaba yung brightness niya. Brightness 50%. Try natin ibaba. Yan. Para medyo ano siya. Okay, yan. Para mukhang nasa ano tayo. Sa loob tayo. Okay. There we go. Yeah, we have fire mission. Let's see what the fire mission states. Okay, so ang iron. So, ordnance HE, iron nest. We have spotter 1 and spotter 2. Okay, so muna natin. Locate muna natin to. Plot muna natin sila. So, ang iron nest is H. Damn. No. Huwag tayong ma-distract. Huwag tayong ma-distract. Sige, balik tayo dito. Okay. Iron nest is H355. H355. Okay. Nasa position tayo. Spotter 1. O1046. So, gawin natin itong marker. O1046. Ito O. O10 46 4 5 10 46. Okay, ito ang spotter 1. Si spotter 2, naman is nasa K182. K182 ito. K182. Okay, K182. So K182 si spotter 2. Si spotter 1 is O1046. Okay. So, okay. Goods na tayo sa mga spotters. So, let's get the fire mission. So, para makita natin ang fire mission, okay, may bearing tayong dalawa. Dalawang bearing. 110 degrees from spotter 1 and 49 degrees from spotter 2. So, yan tayo dito. So, most likely, ang pula, kapag ginuhit mo yung pula, magkakaroon ng bearing and distance. So, ang pula, pang final drawing na siya. Okay. Ang kulay yellow naman, may distance siya, pero di siya nag-reflect. Okay. So, ito pwede ko gawing marking. Pang marking talaga. Pang trace, pang marking. Ito naman, ang puti is okay, pure drawings lang. Pure drawings lang siya. Okay. So, kung magmamark tayo, ito lang. Para ano, para hindi nakakalito yung mga tinta. Okay, let's see. From spotter 1, 110 degrees. From spotter 1, 110 degrees. 13, 12, 11, 110 degrees. Okay. From spotter to 49 degrees. Saan spotter to natin? Spotter to. From spotter to 49 degrees. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ito, 14 degrees. 14 degrees. So, pag sabihin, ito yan. Kuha tayo ng isang kulay-kulay na to. This one here, ito ang ating fire mission. There we go. And so, ganyan na tayo. Kunin natin itong kulay pula. Markahan natin from the nest all the way to the target, which is this one. Yan. Yan. So, papakita na dito. So, since may ganyan na tayo, okay, check muna natin. HE round, okay. Karga na natin to. Karga na natin to. Hard. Ang distance natin is 13. So, let's load 13 degrees. Ay, 13 kilometers. 10, 12, 1305. 3, 4, 1305. Okay, 1305. Computed charge. Tatlo. Minimum. Then calculate fire mission. There we go. So, tatlong charge siya. So, 1, 2, 3. Habang kinakarga yan, dito tayo sa rotation. Our rotation is 66 degrees. So, 35 tayo. We need 66 degrees rotation. Up. $66.2. 66.432. 66.2. Okay. Elevation natin is 52.2. 4.20. Around dito. Damn. Nice one. Sak, galing. 52.20. So fine tune na lang natin. 52.20. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's check. Okay, fire mission. Okay. Shell type HE. Bearing is good. Range is good. Gun armed. So let's lock it. Lock it up. On the way. Yan natin dito. Come on. Give me a hit. Give me a hit. Boom. Hit. Hit. Target destroyed. Additional requisition granted. Targets active. One remaining. Continue fire mission. Fire mission to be continued. Okay. 2 additional targets will be identified in the recon code. Destroy board before proceeding. Okay. So goods na to. Goods na to. And goods na din itong mga bearings natin na to. Pwede natin burahin na itong mga bearing na to. Pwede natin burahin na to. And burahin na to. So it looks like, oh, we hit. Okay, nice hit. So mayroon dalawa dito. So, may dalawang to. Dalawa dito. Okay. So ito, since ito ay parang panukat ng radius, baka pwede nating testing to. Yeah. Actually, kaya siya ng isang ano, kaya siya ng isang HE. Isa sentro ko lang. Sige, try natin. Isang HE lang. Try natin. Sentro natin siya dito. Yan. Okay, sentro natin siya. Okay, targets more. So we need an HE round. Marami up. HE. So 12.96, mas mababa siya. 12.8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12.96. Kailangan ng 3 charges. Calculate. So 51.84 ang ano, elevation natin. Requires 3 charges. 1, 2, 3. Karga mga charge. Balik tayo dito. 68 degrees. Na 66 tayo. We need to go up to 68. 68. 68. Up. Increasing ulit ang elevation niya. So 52. Fine tune lang natin to 51.84. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 51.84. Okay, check. Fire mission confirmed. Shell type HE. Bearing 68. Range 12.96. Gun armed. We lock this one. On the way. Hindi ko pa rin alam paano ginagamit yung stopwatch na to. Is it time to impact? Mako-consider ba next time dito yung ano? Bullet flight? Bang. Hit! Damn! Hit! Targets destroyed. Phase 1 complete. Second fire mission. Okay. Second fire mission. Second fire mission is now authorized. High command orders starburst over the Royal Palace. Ordnance Star Shell. Fire in the vicinity of the coordinates below. Ground to several Martingon Recon. Adjust and repeat until high command satisfactory. Yellow numbers equals distance. Yellow arrows is direction from the impact point to the target. Approximate illumination coordinates. Bearing. Okay, we have bearing and we have distance. Okay, so this time meron tayong bearing and meron tayong distance, all from spotter 1. So sabi dito, pwede natin alisin to. Alisin natin to, goods na tayo dito. Okay, okay, sabi dito, okay, HE55 ordinate star shells only. So bearing is 2.45 degrees from spotter 1. So from spotter 1, 2.45 degrees. So ganito ito. 3 2.43 44 45 43 44 45 is 2.45 degrees from spotter 1 and a distance of 6.55 kilometers. Dito natin gagamitin itong protractor tuloy, compass, kasi since distance lang ang meron. So ang distance ko is 6.55 kilometers. So 6.42 43 6.50 54 56 55. Okay, so of a bearing, we have a distance, and most likely ito ang ating impact point. Let's reset our tokens. This is our impact point. So intersection ng circle at saka ng ano, this is our impact point. Designation A. Same location ng iron nest dito. We go towards impact. Wait lang, parang masyadong ano to ah. Hindi natin dito. Yan. Balik natin. Start tayo dito. Impact point is here. Dito. Wait a minute. 4.39. Not 12.9. That's 4.32. Oh, baka hindi ko nabura. Anyhow, ito yung bagong ano natin. Let's see. 12.4, 4.39. Okay. So sabi, star shell tayo. So illumination. Illumination. First, star shell, load up. Distance is 4.39. Okay, goods na sa 1 charge. 4.39, good for 1 charge. Calculation. Dito degrees. Isang powder charge. Ilan nga ba? Yeah, isa lang. Isang powder charge lang. That one, sabi dito is 12.44. Malayo tayo. Oop. So, wag pipigilan. Bearing 12.4 degrees. elevation of 52.68. So fine tuning na lang. 52.6 52.68. Okay. 12.4. Okay. Let's see. Fire mission, illumination, shell type, star shell, bearing 12.4, range 4.39. Fire mission complete. Locked in shell. On away. Oh. Pasapat ang illumination natin. Off target, off target, off target. Off target illumination, which means 4.39 kilometers. Tapos ito yung arrow kung saan siya direction. So kung ititrace natin to, mula dito, so kung ititrace natin to, 4.39 kilometers dito. To 4.39 kilometers mula dito. Okay, 4.39 kilometers following the direction of arrow. So tap natin to, adjust, new fire location. New fire location is this one. Okay. Market fire concentration Baker. Okay, charge it. Star shell. Ram it up. This is 5.97 kilometers. It's 5.97 kilometers. 5.97 kilometers, requiring 2 powder shell, 2 powder charges, computation, 2 powder charges, 1, 2. So tayo dito, this is 325. Ito tayo dito, patras tayo. Oops! Ito sabi ko, wag bibiglayin eh. Okay. 325. Three to 5 degrees. Elevation is 35. 35.82. Okay, let's go. Okay. Fire mission confirmed. Readjustment star shell. Star shell. Bearing good. Range good. Gun good. Gun armed. On the way! High Command IRNS. Starburst position confirmed. Stand down until further orders. Lower to Castilla. Yeah, boy. Was pleased with the last one. I don't think I've ever seen him smile before. Okay. Oh. Good job, boys. It's time to rest. Ano to? Oh, what's this? Oh! What's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, tumahimik. What did I do? Oh, I deactivated everything. Oh, I have deactivated everything. Ayan, nanta. Damn. Yan ang tahimik niya. Where's my quarters? Bang! Oh shit, may ano, may isa pa. So, yeah. Next time ulit yung isa pa. Next time ulit yung isa pang fire mission. What's this fire mission? The year were maintained and higher cameras where investor in the ground has been repositioned to support the operation. Ah, okay. New positioning. Right. So, yun lang muna. Exit na tayo. Gawin natin next time ulit.